Hey everybody, Lewis here. Our Shack barbecue and other things. Well, for this cook, we're going to be doing a holiday ham. I like turkey and everything, but I prefer ham. So this ham, we're going to be doing a peach bourbon glaze, and we're going to do it up on the Rec Tec. So let's get into this cook and show you how it gets done. Okay, here is our 9-pound spiral cut, already cooked ham. So basically all we're going to do is be heating it up. Let's go ahead and get this out of the wrapper. So what we're going to do is we're going to cook on the Rec Tec smoker using pecan or pecan, whichever you prefer, pellets. And we're going to be doing it at 250 and roughly 20 minutes per pound. So 20 minutes, 9 pounds, that's 3 hours. So we're going to do that, and we're going to be putting it in a roasting pan. Go ahead and get it all open up here. So here's our ham. Got the little plastic thing. We'll take that out. Here's our roasting pan. We have a little rack down in here, and we're just going to set the ham on like so. Now we're not going to be using the honey glaze mix that comes with it. I like them, but we're not going to use it this time. So for our mop or our spritz, we're going to be using bourbon whiskey. Now if I run out of here, I got more. We're going to use about a quarter cup. It's like about a quarter cup in this. I don't want to spill, so let me, let's try this. Alright, so we have about a quarter cup of that in there. And then we're just going to go with a quarter cup of peach juice. This is all natural peach juice. So the equal is 1-to-1 ratio. And we'll just pour a bunch of this in here, what I think is about the same. Let's call it about right there. Something like that. I used a bowl to catch it. Not much spilled. So then, we'll just get our spray bottle. And we just want to go around. We're going to spray her down. nice coat. Get this side. It all sprayed down. Okay. And then, ooh, yeah. So we're gonna get this out on the smoker, 20 minutes per pound, 9 pounds, 3 hours. Every half hour, we're gonna come out and we're gonna spritz it. We're gonna stick a probe in it. We're hoping to hit about 135, and then we start glazing. So let's get into this cook. Okay, so we got it on. It's 3 o'clock, so 3 hours, 6 o'clock. Every half hour I'll come out and spritz it with that peach bourbon mixture. It's cold enough out here. It's probably 45 degrees, maybe closer to 40. So I'm just gonna leave my spray bottle out here. Otherwise I just take it in and put it in the fridge. So stuck the probes in. Right now it's reading at 50 degrees, both probes. We'll let her just ride for a while. We'll be back in a half hour. Okay, we're 1 hour in. Let's take a look and see while we're running. Okay, it's 5 o'clock, 2 hours in. Let's see how we're looking. Okay, we're going to make our glaze here, our bourbon peach glaze. We're going to start out with 1 cup of brown sugar, a 1/4 cup of peach preserves, 2 tablespoons of delicious bourbon, then 2 teaspoons of smoked paprika. Sorry about the phone call there. 2 teaspoons of smoked paprika.
Just hang up again.
Somebody's really busy. Then 2 teaspoons of ground cinnamon. Okay, 2 teaspoons of ground cinnamon, then 1 teaspoon of salt, 1 teaspoon of onion powder, 1 teaspoon of ground ginger, 1 teaspoon of ground nutmeg, half a teaspoon of ground cloves, Then we're going to do 1/4 teaspoon of ground orange peel. And then we're going to do 2 tablespoons of the ham drippings that I scooped up out of the pan out on the smoker. So now we'll bring this to a boil. We'll mix it all up and let it simmer for a few minutes. Okay, so we got the internal we want. So now we're going to kick it up to 400. We're going to glaze it, and we're going to let that glaze sit. So let's do that. Okay, so here is our bourbon peach glazed ham. We just took it off the smoker and the color is amazing. Let's cut into this and see what we got. Let's come over here and see what happens. Look at that. Oh my, I love ham. Yeah. Let's get ourselves a little bite here. Alrighty, get this down there. Alright, let's taste this ham, fresh off the smoker. Definitely tastes the peach in that glaze. That is really good. Sorry, I gotta get another bite. Oh, I love ham. Yeah, that's really good. That would be perfect any time of the year, not just on the holidays. Well, you saw how I did that. I made a spray bottle with bourbon and peach juice, and I sprayed it every half hour. 20 minutes per pound, 9 pounds, took 3 hours. And then cranked it up to 400, was running at 250, cranked it up to 400, made the glaze that we brought to a boil and then let it simmer, put that on it, cranked it up to 400 so it kind of set that glaze onto the ham, and it is just spectacular. So, as I always say, you can do this too. Thank you for watching, and grill on, my friends. Happy holidays, happy all year long. We're gonna eat well tonight.